Have you ever wondered why some businesses skyrocket while others struggle to survive? The truth is, success isn't just about having a great idea. It's about execution, strategy, and mindset. In today's video, I am going to break down the most powerful business strategies you can apply right now to grow your income, attract more customers, and build long-term success. Value Section 1, Foundation. Every successful business starts with a clear foundation. Who are you serving? What exact problem are you solving? And why should people choose you instead of your competitors? The clearer your answers are, the stronger your brand becomes. Think of it this way: people don't buy products, they buy solutions and stories. Value Section 2, Marketing and Growth. Now let's talk about growth. You can have the best product in the world, but if no one knows about it, it won't matter. That's why marketing is king. In 2025, content marketing, short-form video, and AI-powered tools are changing the game. Businesses that learn how to use social media effectively are the ones scaling the fastest. Remember, attention equals revenue. Value Section 3, Customer Experience. One secret many new entrepreneurs overlook is customer experience. Your first customer can either become a one-time buyer or a lifelong supporter. Treat every customer like a VIP, because referrals and word of mouth are still the strongest form of marketing. Value Section 4, Money and Scaling. Managing money is just as important as making money. Successful businesses reinvest in growth, build multiple streams of revenue, and know their numbers. Scaling doesn't mean spending more, it means being smarter with the resources you already have. Closing Bryce's call to action. So whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, remember this: clarity, marketing, customer experience, and smart scaling are the keys to long-term success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more business insights, and drop a comment below with your biggest business challenge. I might cover it in my next video.